Gigabyte Working Computer Store. Now, when people bring their laptops in for service, why the heck don't they bring in the chargers with them? I had a customer this morning, brought in his laptop. The battery's charged, the battery's charged. Well, guess what? Had to do a full reset on the machine. The battery wasn't charged that good. The machine's crapped out, and I don't have a replacement charger for it. So it's going to have to sit there. Always take your laptop charger in with your laptop when you require service. Remember, there are no bad computers, only bad human owners. Ta-ta for now.